Hey guys, it's Anya 2003. Doing one package mail day today. It's a care package from good buddy of mine, SMB Pinoy, Hill Jordan Rose. I'm not expecting this, buddy. Thank you very much for this. You beat me to it. I got a care package ready for you there. So just got I need to find some time to ship that one. So yep, thank you very much for this, buddy. Alright, let's crack on. Okay, there's no Derek, SMB Pinoy, Hill Jordan Rose. I'll put his link down below there, and you can sub to him, please. Okay, don't know where to go first. Right, here we go. Wow, thank you very much, Derek. Seen some nice PC cards here. Wow, Dr. J. Wow, this is definitely PC. Okay, Dr. J, Clear Retro 1213. That's lovely. Don't have this one yet. That's definitely going to the PC. And some Anthology of Kobe. So I got 189. That's a nice one. 150. Doing the reverse. 105. 38. Doing the reverse again. That's shock. 81. Oh no. Giving me all this Michael Jordan from Black Diamond. That's a nice one. 22. That's the one there. Number 2. It's really nice card there. Black Diamond. Really nice card. Wow. Number 4. Thank you very much, Derek. Thank you. Right, moving on. Second stack. Okay. Wow, Kevin McHale. I love this person. Oh no, what do they call this? Crusades. That's really nice card. Yeah, Kevin McHale. Wow, thank you very much, Derek. That's a nice one. And some Kobe Anthology here as well. Got the 187. I need to check if I will be needing some of them. I think I have this one already. 86. It's a nice one, so young. 29 with the Afro. 72. Paid Away with Yao Ming. And I got this from Finest. 97, 98. This is a nice card. Thank you, Derek. And a good with champions of Larry Bird. Looks like he will be playing football here or soccer. Alright, thank you very much for that, Derek. Oh, there's a note here. Oh no, I love this card. God, I'd seen already the card behind. Alright, this is the Threads from Panini Past and Present. Threads. This is a nice card because of the texture. Same like a shoe. See? Thank you very much for this, Derek. It's a nice card. Alright, and this one, look at the Labor Canada plug. Here's some cards to add to your Super PC. Thanks for sharing your Mojo case breaks. SMB Pinoy 1 of 1. Thank you very much, Derek. This is a nice one. I hope I can make one of this. Look at his autograph in there. I'll put this on a magnetic. Thank you very much, Derek. Alright, some more Kobe. Wow. Kickstart. Look at the technology of that car, of this card. Shine. Really, really nice. Kickstart too. Thank you very much for this, Derek. Lovely card. Lovely, lovely. Oh, this is the second year card, Fast Track. The that fast and the track actually felt. If you know the championship banner from the current past and present, same like this. So Panini's Cup with this technology, or this design. It's really nice. Thank you very much, Derek, for all these cards. Really appreciated, buddy. I'll be sending your package probably tomorrow. I just need to find some time to go to the post office. Alright, thank you very much, Derek. And guys, please sub to SMB Pinoy Hail Jordan Rose. The link is down below. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.